On 20th of May, it was reported that Brazil had a record 1,179 deaths in a single day, for a total of almost 18,000 fatalities. With a total number of almost 272,000 cases, Brazil became the country with the third highest number of cases, following Russia and the United States. On 25th of May, Brazil exceeded the number of reported cases in Russia when they reported that 11,687 new cases had been confirmed over the previous 24 hours, bringing the total number to over 374,800, with more than 23,400 deaths. President Jair Bolsonaro has created controversy by referring to the virus as a little flu and frequently speaking out against preventive measures such as lockdowns and quarantines. His attitude towards the outbreak has been likened to that of former U.S. President Trump, with Bolsonaro being called the Trump of the tropics. Bolsonaro later tested positive for the virus. In June 2020, the government of Brazil attempted to conceal the actual figures of the COVID-19 active cases and deaths, as it stopped publishing the total number of infections and deaths. On 5th of June, Brazil's health ministry took down the official website reflecting the total numbers of infections and deaths. The website was live on 6th of June, with only the number of infections of the previous 24 hours. The last official numbers reported about 615,000 infections and over 34,000 deaths. On 15th of June, it was reported that the worldwide cases had jumped from 7 to 8 million in 1 week, citing Latin America, specifically Brazil as one of the countries where cases are surging, in this case, towards 1 million cases. Brazil briefly paused Phase 3 trials for the Coronavac COVID-19 vaccine on 10th of November after the suicide of a volunteer before resuming on 11th of November. By early 2021, the death toll had climbed to 231,534. The total number of cases on 7th of February exceeded 9.5 million. The only countries with worse outbreaks were India and the United States.